The fault, dear Brutus, is not in our stars, but in ourselves. Cry havoc and let slip the dogs of war. The evil that men do lives after them. The good is oft interred with their bones. Beware the Ides of March. Not that I loved Caesar less, but that I loved Rome more. Death a necessary end will come when it will come. There are no tricks in plain and simple faith. Bid me run, and I will strive with things impossible. As I love the name of honor more than I fear death. What a terrible era in which idiots govern the blind. As he was valiant, I honor him, but as he was ambitious, I slew him. Now let it work, mischief thou art afoot, take thou what course thou wilt. You blocks, you stones, you worse than senseless things. O judgment, thou art fled to brutish beasts, and men have lost their reason. And some that smile have in their hearts, I fear, millions of mischiefs. Yond Cassius has a lean and hungry look. He thinks too much such men are dangerous. But for my own part, it was Greek to me. I was born free as Caesar, so were you. For the eye sees not itself, but by reflection by some other things. How many ages hence shall this our lofty scene be acted over in states, unborn and accents yet unknown? But men may construe things after their fashion, clean from the purpose of the things themselves. I come to bury Caesar, not to praise him. The evil that men do lives after them. The good is oft interred with their bones. Into what dangers would you lead me, Cassius, that you would have me seek into myself for that which is not in me? Of your philosophy you make no use if you give place to accidental evils. I thrice presented him a kingly crown, which he did thrice refuse. Was this ambition? Fill till the wine o'ers well the cup. The abuse of greatness is when it disjoins remorse from power. A piece of work that will make sick men whole. The abuse of greatness is when it disjoins remorse from power. The skies are painted with unnumbered sparks. They are all fire, and every one doth shine. For he is superstitious grown of late. Nay, I beseech you, sir, be not out with me. Yet if you be out, sir, I can mend you. But are not some whole that we must make sick? Men may construe things after their fashion, clean them from the purpose of the things themselves. That you do love me, I am nothing jealous. We shall be called purgers, not murderers. He that cuts off 20 years of life cuts off so many years of fearing death. Cassius from bondage will deliver Cassius. And graves have yawned and yielded up their dead. Fierce. Good words are better than bad strokes, Octavius. Oh, pardon me, thou bleeding piece of earth, that I am meek and gentle with these butchers.